A quick intermission, but I have sold the front lip and the front splitter of my car. That's why it's not existent. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take off the canards, so I can get those ready to sell, and I won't have a ugly looking car. Like it upsets the balance of my car, and I can't have that anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the canards off. I have to take the bumper off in order to do so. I'll update you guys when I get to the part of me taking off the canards. Alright, so about to head out. I'll give you guys a little bit of driving footage. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage from last night. So, yeah. Let's... something is not right. Okay, something isn't right. 1 second.
You got the sauce, bitch.
Alright, so made it to the location. Got the car washed and everything. Got it all cleaned up. God damn, this Zoom's gonna have to work for me today. Alright, so got it all cleaned up. Now it looks a lot better. And ready for her last night out at the meets. We got Chavez. We got Blackie over there. This shit actually feels pretty good at night, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it ain't that bad at night. Yeah, this thing ain't bad.
I've never seen this car in person.
What?
What's up, vlog?
What's up?
What's good? Yeah, I mean,
Chavez in the building. I got the name right this time.
We back with another episode of Nigga Street Garage. It's my man Doughboy on this cut.
Bring that ass here.
Oh, Junior brought the whip. Junior brought the whip. Man, this is like the third time I've seen this thing ever since.
I've never seen this shit in person.
But he just looking like he cold as shit. Got Junior in the building. I'll leave his IG down below. Sick build. Hey, say what's up. Say what's up.
All fucking day at Color.
What's good? Say what's up.
I've seen this car on Instagram. Never seen it in person. This shit's clean.
Appreciate that. I'm tired of the color.
I mean, clear though.
You're inspiring others to get the same color, dude.
I'm about to get rid of this color though pretty soon. Gotta talk to my boy Max.
Yeah.
Gonna hook it up.
Yeah.
I won't be talking like that.
Yeah. My car's stock body now. I'm on stock body now.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, not good position. It's all good. Alright, got a squad going on now. Everybody brought the... Hey, is your car... Can I show your car now?
Don't show them. Nah, I'm playing. You can show whatever you want.
Alright, so we got a squad going on at the wash. I got my car all cleaned up. Had to film out the GoPro for a second because Max had my camera. So I got this all cleaned up. Then we got the Integra. We got Blackie over there. CG Jr. We'll be mobbing deep today. So yeah. We are not doing that today. And over here we got the bag report. So yeah, we're out. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get some lighting for you guys, but we're at the beach. Yeah, got everybody out here. I don't understand why people got ruined for everything. Got some sick cars. Lucio's car. I can't get no light, that's why I don't like vlogging in the dark. But I don't know why people do it anyway.
Go see what this guy has on his fucking hood.
Yeah. Alright, so everybody go see what's under this guy's hood. That's why I don't like vlogging out here. Like, no good lighting. Alright, so back at home, I just want to say I am extremely grateful for my friends coming out and putting this together. I wasn't expecting it to go out this way. They literally just it's like just all the homies just gather up, bring their cars out to celebrate or to commemorate Chelsea's last time being at a car meet before being sold and picking up something else. I can't, like, I'm happy. Like, I'm happy that for everyone who has played a part in the build. It was a learning experience. My only regret is about this whole entire thing is that I didn't go after what I wanted sooner than sooner. Like, I wish I had done more things sooner. Yeah, I wish I knew what I wanted sooner. But that's the only regrets that I do have. So I want to say thank you for everybody who has made that day such a great day for me. It means a lot that a lot of people actually care about the build. It means a lot that people actually, like seeing Chelsea and whatnot. They like seeing how unique she was and whatnot. And honestly, it sucks to let her go, but at the same time, I do know that it's for the better, and I know that I can come up with something. I hate to replace, like, I don't want to say the word replace, but to something that could match her uniqueness. I think that's a proper way to say it. The best way, like, I know I can come up with something to match the uniqueness that Chelsea has, and the influence that she has, and I know that it could be better. So I just want to say thank you for everybody who just made that day a great day. Maxton, Alicio, Junior, everybody, Chavez. Like, there's way too many names for me to count, but the credit of getting everybody together goes to Alex, though. He came up with the idea of bringing everybody together, and I'm happy about that. So, you guys made it a great night, and before I left the car meet, like, like before when me and Max and we were about to leave out, you know, just revving and just making constant pops, like just back to back pops or whatever. Before we sell her though, I still, like, the car is not up for sale. Like, it's still sale. I'm still going to sell it, but it's not like up for sale, like officially up for sale on the marketplace or anything like that, because I want to be ready for I want to make it presentable to the eye, so that people will actually come look at it and whatnot. I mean, I'm selling it as is because I don't want to put extra effort into making it stock, because that is just a waste of money, and that's the money that can go towards something else. So that is what's up with that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry if it was like all over the place. You guys didn't even get a proper intro, but this just, it meant the entire day just meant a lot to me. So, and I'm just happy that my friends were part of it, and that it just made it better because I wasn't like alone. Like, I didn't just show up by myself like I normally would. Like, I actually had friends there to help for like Chelsea's final send off. But before Chelsea actually does get sold, I still need to drive her around. I still need to drive her around because I don't have another car yet, and I do, like, my one wish is that I want Chelsea to at least meet her stepsister, the new build. I want those two to be next to each other at least, just so I could say that I have officially owned 2 cars at the age of 19, because 2 years ago I didn't have any car, and then I worked my butt off to get Chelsea, and then here she is today now, 2 years later, selling her. So, like, it's crazy how far I've come. And it's crazy. So I have more content coming out with Chelsea soon. The next few videos are going to be with Chelsea. We're going to get her in presentable shape. That's what those videos are about. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, please. Share this video and share these videos with your friends and everybody, so we can spread the word and grow this channel. And I would like to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the summer, and 500 subscribers if possible by the end of the year. Tune Squad, I want to say thank you for watching the build on Chelsea from the day that I bought her, and the day that I bought her, like, it's been nothing but a journey since I bought that car, and the journey's just been very wild. It's been a lot of good times, a lot of bad times, and I kind of miss the old times, to be honest with you. So hopefully next year I can put some effort. I want to go back to college. I want to go back to school, but that's a whole nother thing. Like, we can talk about that another time. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for making it special. Thank you for everybody who came out to hang out with us, and thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you for everybody who has played a part in this build. I truly appreciate every single last one of you, because it just made the car that much more special to me, and I just hope that it goes to a great owner who will take care of it, and hopefully take her a step further. I want them to take it a step further. Take care of her, you know,